Systweak PDF Editor Full Tutorial. Master the Edit tab like a pro. Edit tab. The Edit tab provides a wide range of editing tools, including Add Text, inserts new text into the PDF document. Edit Content, modifies existing text, images, or objects. Add Image, inserts pictures or graphics into the PDF. Search and Replace, finds specific words and replaces them automatically. Sign PDF, adds a digital or handwritten signature. Crop, removes unwanted areas from PDF pages. Add Link, inserts clickable hyperlinks into the document. Watermark, adds or removes watermarks for branding or protection. The More Options section provides additional formatting tools such as Insert Page Numbers, Remove Page Numbers, Insert Bates Numbers, Remove Bates Numbers, Add Background, Remove Background, Add Header and Footer, Remove Header and Footer. If you would like to purchase Systweak PDF Editor, whether through the subscription plan or the lifetime plan, where you pay once and own it forever, please consider using the link provided in the description box below. Your support through that link would be greatly appreciated. Double-click Systweak PDF Editor to launch it. Once the application opens, navigate to the Edit tab as TechTricksGh walks you through its features. Let's browse for a PDF file and import it into Systweak PDF. Locate the PDF file you want to work with, select it, and then click Open to import it into the software. Once the file has been opened successfully, we can use it to familiarize ourselves with the features and functions available under the Edit tab in Systweak PDF. Let's begin with the Add Text command. When you click it, the tool allows you to insert text anywhere within your PDF document. However, despite its name, it does much more than simply adding text. It also enables you to edit existing text. Click the Add Text tab. Instantly, your PDF becomes editable and rectangular boxes appear around blocks of text. Click and drag to select a piece of text, downward to center it. You can also highlight text and type over it to replace it with new content. Likewise, you can select and delete text whenever necessary. You can also modify the font style, size, and color of selected text. For example, you may change the text color to red. One of the key advantages of the Add Text feature is its ability to let you insert text anywhere on the page with just a single click, making it quick and convenient to edit PDF documents. For consistency, highlight the selected text and change the text color to red, and change its font style to match the previous subtopic. Now, click above Professional Practice and Ethics in ADS and insert the text Senior High School. Next, select Professional Practice and Ethics in ADS and increase the font size from 18 to 32. Highlight the text Meaning of Profession, then click the Strike-Through command to place a line through it. This feature is particularly useful when proofreading documents or collaborating with a supervisor on a thesis, dissertation, or long essay. Place your cursor at the end of the third bullet point, which reads Shared Values and Behavior, and type etc., so that it reads Shared Values and Behavior, etc. Afterwards, adjust the rectangular text box to ensure that the word etc. appears on the same line as the rest of the text. Edit Content tab. Click the Edit Content tab. As the name suggests, this feature allows you to edit the content of your PDF. You can add, remove, and format text in much the same way as the Add Text feature. Let's explore some text alignment options. Click the Left Align command, and the text will immediately align to the left. Next, click the Center Align command, and the text will move to the center. You can also click the Right Align command to align the text to the right. Finally, center the text and change its color to blue. Place your cursor at the end of the text and replace ADS with Art and Design. Edit Image tab. The Edit Image tab allows you to insert images into your PDF document. To do this, click the Image tab and browse to the image you wish to insert. Once you locate it, select the image and click Open to import it into the PDF. You can drag the image to the exact location where you want it to appear. Once you are satisfied with the placement, click to position it and drag the corner handles to resize it to the desired dimensions. You can also drag the image itself to reposition it if necessary. The image can be manipulated in various ways. For example, clicking Rotate Left will instantly rotate the image to the left, while Rotate Right rotates it to the right. The Flip Horizontal command reverses the image from left to right, which may be useful for certain design effects. Clicking the same command again restores the image to its original orientation. Similarly, the flip vertical command turns the image upside down. Clicking it again returns the image to its original position. You can also adjust the image opacity by dragging the slider. Moving the slider to the left makes the image more transparent, while moving it to the right increases its opacity. When you right-click an image, additional options become available, including copy, cut, delete, paste, rotate left, rotate right, replace image, export, flip horizontal, flip vertical, and crop. For this tutorial, let's click Replace Image. From the dialog box that appears, select the image you want to use and click Open. Instantly, the new image replaces the existing one within the PDF document. Click Search and Replace tab. The Search and Replace tab enables you to proofread an entire document by searching for specific words or phrases that may need to be replaced to improve the quality and consistency of your content. When you click the Search and Replace tab, you will instantly see rectangular boxes highlighting blocks of text within the PDF. Clicking the Search and Replace tab a second time opens a sidebar on the left side of the document. This sidebar contains a search box and a replace box. In the search box, type the word you want to find. For this tutorial, we will search for TechTricksGh. Next, click the Replace field and enter the word you want to use as a replacement. For this example, we will replace TechTricksGh with rich. Once you have entered the replacement word, click Replace. The first occurrence of the word will be highlighted automatically. Click Replace again, and the selected word TechTricksGh will instantly be replaced with rich. To navigate to the next occurrence, click the right-facing arrow. The next instance of TechTricksGh will be highlighted. Click Replace again to substitute it with rich. Repeat this process until all occurrences have been replaced. If you decide to reverse the changes, simply click Undo repeatedly to revert the replacements. Alternatively, you can swap the words in the Search and Replace fields. Place TechTricksGh in the Replace box and Rich in the Search box. Then repeat the replacement process to change all instances of Rich back to TechTricksGh. Continue repeating the replacement process until all instances of Rich have been replaced with TechTricksGh. Before you know it, every occurrence will be updated. The Sign PDF feature allows you to add signatures to a PDF document in 3 different ways. Click the Sign PDF tab and select Create Signature. When the Add Signature window appears, you will be presented with 3 options. 1. Draw a signature using your mouse. 2. Upload a scanned signature. 3. Type your initials as a signature. TechTricksGh will walk you through all 3 methods. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Method 1. Draw a signature. Click the Draw option. Select your preferred color and move to the drawing panel. Click and drag your mouse to draw your signature. Once you are satisfied with the signature, click Apply. The signature will instantly appear inside the PDF document. Drag it to the desired location and resize it to fit the signature area appropriately. Method 2. Upload a scanned signature. Click the Sign PDF tab again. Your previously created signature will appear. If you no longer need it, click the Close icon to remove it. Select Create Signature and browse to the location of your scanned signature image. Select the image and click Open. The software provides 3 display options: Original, Transparent A, Transparent B. For the best results, upload a signature image with a white background. Among the 3 options, Transparent A usually provides the cleanest transparent background. Select the preferred option and click Apply. The signature will appear in the PDF. If the size is appropriate, simply reposition it as needed. Method 3. Type a signature. Click the Sign PDF tab and remove any existing signature. Select Create Signature and choose the Type option. Type your initials and experiment with the available fonts. For this tutorial, we recommend Sego Script. After selecting the font, change the color to blue and click Apply. The signature will appear in the PDF document. Resize and position it appropriately. If you would like to purchase Systweak PDF Editor, whether through the subscription plan or the lifetime plan, where you pay once and own it forever, please consider using the link provided in the description box below. Your support through that link would be greatly appreciated. Click Crop tab. The Crop tab allows you to remove non-essential portions of a PDF page while preserving the important content. To crop a page, click the Crop tab. Navigate to the section you wish to keep and click and drag to create a selection around the essential area. Once the selection is complete, a toolbar will appear. Click the crop icon. In the Crop PDF dialog box, select the page or pages you want to crop. For example, choose page 2, then click OK. The page will be cropped instantly, leaving only the selected content visible. Click Link tab. The Link feature allows you to create hyperlinks that can jump to a specific page, open a web page, open an email address. Click the Link tab and drag over the text such as TechTricksGh where you want the link to appear. Add Link dialog box, select Jump to Page View. Enter the destination page number, such as 2, and click OK. When you hover your mouse over the link text, the cursor changes to a hand icon, indicating that the link is active. Clicking it will open page 2. Click Watermark tab. The Watermark tab allows you to add or remove watermarks from your PDF document. Adding a text watermark, click Watermark and select Add Watermark. In the Add Watermark dialog box, enter your preferred text, such as TechTricksGh. Set the font size to 24, select In Front of Text, tick the Tile option, and click OK. Preview the watermark on the page. If you are not satisfied with the result, return to the Watermark tab and select Remove Watermark. Confirm by clicking Yes. Adding a single text watermark. Click Add Watermark again. Enter TechTricksGh as the watermark text and increase the font size to 40. Keep In Front of Text selected, but leave the tile option unchecked. Click OK to preview the watermark. If necessary, remove it and repeat the process until you achieve the desired appearance. Adding an image watermark. Click Add Watermark and select Image. Browse to the image location, select the image, and click Open. You can adjust the watermark's position, resize it by scaling it up or down, and set the layout to In Front of Text. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Add to insert the watermark into the PDF. Insert page numbers. Click More Options and select Insert Page Numbers. The Insert Page Numbers window provides several options, including all pages, even pages only, odd pages only, specific page ranges. You can also choose between single page mode and facing pages mode, along with several other customization options. Finally, click Add to insert page numbers into the PDF. Add notes. Click More Options and select Add Notes. Click anywhere on the PDF where you want to place a note. A note icon will appear. Double-click the icon to open the note and type your message. The note automatically records the date and time it was created. Click Close to minimize the note into an icon. You can add multiple notes throughout the document. For example, create another note that says, "Please call me around 2 p.m." Close the note when finished. Add a stamp. Click More Options and select Stamp. The approved stamp will appear. Move it to the desired location and click to place it on the document. Resize the stamp as needed and position it appropriately. To complete the approval process, click Sign PDF, select your saved signature, and place it beside the approved stamp. Resize and align it neatly for a professional appearance. If you would like to purchase Systweak PDF Editor, whether through the subscription plan or the lifetime plan, where you pay once and own it forever, please consider using the link provided in the description box below. Your support through that link would be greatly appreciated. TechTricksGh, teaching tricks and techniques in IT and design. Subscribe to give us a reason to do more.